The Genesis Hybrid Sports Sedan Concept, also simply called the New York Concept, shows Hyundai's new Genesis luxury sub-brand swinging for the fences. The Korean automaker only established the premium marquee in December, and its designers have already settled their aim on segment stalwarts like the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Genesis is clear that this shape represents the brand's future direction. The stylists call this design language athletic elegance, and that's a perfect way to describe the way the C-pillar transitions into the rear deck. The sedan's face also looks aggressive. The combination could appeal to buyers that want something different in this segment. Inside, the 21-inch 4K display from LG might lure tech-focused buyers, if it makes it into a production model. Underneath the hood, the New York Concept also takes a different direction than its competitors. Where turbocharging in this class is rapidly becoming the norm, the Hybrid Sports Sedan Concept is, as the name suggests, a hybrid. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder with electric assist makes 242 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque and sends power through an 8-speed gearbox. We're curious to watch the Hybrid Sports Sedan's transition from concept to production. If Genesis can restrain itself from diluting the concept too much, it could establish itself as an attractive alternative to the established players.